McVeigh, and happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so our first project for today is by Lauren in room 222. And in fact, I have another project by a kindergarten student in 202, and both are awesome. They're illustrated, so they included some pictures with their work. Ariana's is practicing numbers and letters, and Lauren is practicing math. Some of this math is triple digit. Whew, that's like second grade work. You go, Lauren. So 200 plus 200, 22 plus 22, 12 plus 12. So double digit math. Great job. And triple digit. Triple digit means 3 digits. Remember, we learned that triple means 3 because tri means 3. Like triangle has 3 sides. How many jumps in a triple jump? 3. It's actually a hop, a skip, and a jump, sort of, but it's 3 maneuvers because it's a triple jump. Okay. And Ariana is, like I said, is letters and numbers. Well done, Ariana. Now, our next project, I want to go back to yesterday. Andrew Toledo gave us this awesome painting. And so it's about the solar system. The solar system, soul. If you speak Spanish, you know what soul means and where we get the word solar from. Solar is about the sun. So if you have solar panels, it means they're using the sun. Sol means sun. And so in the solar system that Andrew drew, there's a sun. And so this project is about the sun. And this is by Melina. And she says that the sun is about 4.6 billion years old. Billion. Bi means 2 billion. So that's like after the millions, you go into the billions. Okay, that's like a long time, a very, very, very long time. And it's a very, very hot place. They estimate that the temperature on the sun, because it's a ball of fire, is about, 15 million degrees Celsius. That is like super duper duper hot. And I don't know if you know this, but the sun is a star. It looks bigger than the others because it's closer to the earth than the other stars that we see. But the sun is a star, and it provides lots and lots of energy for us. It also it happens to be a ball of gas that's just burning and burning and burning, and that's why we get heat from the sun. And it weighs much more than the earth. Much, much more than the earth. Like over 300,000 times more than the earth. That's a lot more. So well done, Melina. And then we have a nice little gingerbread Getting Smart Through Art from Claire in room 124. Thank you, Claire. Moving on to our Wordle and mystery number. Well, let me say this. I had only one response to the mystery number that was correct, but many responses that are plausible. That means it could be right, but you didn't have enough information yet to get the right number through clues. If you inferred, you might have come up with the best answer or the right answer, but not through the clues. My clues did not give you enough information, but you could have inferred based upon the Wordle what the correct number is. This one's a challenge this week, but all right. Riley, Ricky. This one has no name. At least if it does, I can't see it, but whoever wrote this one. Naomi, Nicola, Emma, Angus, Gia, Nico, Samantha, let's see, Chloe, Sandia. Some of these stick to each other, so it gets a little complicated. Vedant, Chris, Ahmed, Jacob, Mevel, Rahab, Samantha, the other Samantha, Isa, Uskana, Jaden, Wasi, Gabriel, Alina, Sebastian, Valentina, let's see, Janine, Anthony, Michaela, and I think I said Riley, all got the correct answer. And I can tell that they've been adding each time on the same Post-it to figure out the clues. Yeah, so this is super duper exciting for me. All right. So since we have one more day, you'll get one more clue today. All right, so I gave this clue yesterday. I said this is the least common vowel. That's a U. Least common vowel is a U. And then I said that these two vowels are the same, but they're not the same as this one. Now, we already had, I'm sorry, I said this is the second most common vowel. So that has to be an A. All right. Then I said these two are vowels also, and they're not the same as any of the others. So they're either an I or an O. All right. Then I said this one is in the mystery number. So that one is going to be, because if we are getting to odds, to even numbers that are homonyms, and there's 3 homonyms, there's only 2 numbers that have 3 homonyms. That's 2 and 4. So we know that these numbers have to be 2 and 4, but then we also know that, therefore, that has to be an O. So we have the first word, error. We have to figure out the second word. So my clue for today is, and we know that this is an I. Okay, my clue for today is, listen carefully, this letter and this letter are consonants, and they are consecutive in the alphabet, which means, as we know, we've gone over this over and over, that one comes after the other. So this letter comes after this letter in the alphabet. They're consecutive. Okay. Mystery number. Okay, here we go. Here's the clue. They are both the same number. All right. You have to use the Wordle to figure this out. Okay. Time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So our Mighty Kind moment of the day is a shout out to our 3rd grade Brownie troop from McVeigh. And there's one student from Barnum in this troop that did something super duper mighty kind. I don't know if you can see that picture. I tried to blow it up. But those are our own McVeigh Mighty Minds being mighty kind and going out and collecting toys that are themed for mostly crafts for the holiday season for students and children who are in the hospital. So it's called the NYU Child Life Unit, and that actually is a place that helps one of the children here at McVeigh. Anyhow, they collected crafts and books for the children who are going to be there during the holiday season to help make their season bright. And they were told that this was a huge amount collected, which means this group really worked hard to be super duper mighty kind. And I'm so proud of them. I wanted you all to know about that. because it's important that we all get involved in our community, either through Girl Scouts or something else, to help anybody we can. Super important that we do that. And of course, boys and girls, anybody can. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.